Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a look at the significant flooding potential for the southeast and maybe parts of California and Arizona. Now we're going to get started here with the GFS model here. The first system is actually going to be coming here tomorrow, and it's going to bring maybe some freezing rain for parts of Kentucky and maybe North Carolina into Virginia in those valleys. We even do have some snow coming in for the northern parts of the low. And push us off to the northeast. Not going to be a winter storm, if any means. It's kind of like a Clipper system. Now, whenever that system moves out, right now, what we're looking at here is your jet stream is actually going to be coming off the Pacific through California. And we have another, like the Sever jet of coming off of Mexico and Texas. Wherever that starts to combine, it becomes a mean storm. Now, this here could have a potential for a winter storm, but right now it's kind of a medium chance. Here's your next system here. This is going to be on Wednesday. Can start as freezing rain, again, for those same areas, but it could be a little bit more intense. Now, here comes all that moisture for parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee. Again, probably not going to be much of a winter storm of any means. That really does continue. Then that system passes on. We got another system coming on Thursday that moves through. Seems like the heaviest of rain is going to be a little bit to the north on the third system. Here comes the fourth system. Again, a little bit to the north for parts of the Ohio Valley. So maybe y'all guys could get a break from this. And that could be maybe a potential winter storm for around the Great Lakes and maybe parts of the Northeast. Then there goes your Clipper system, and then becomes uncertainty. Now, how much rain does the GFS want to show for the next 384 hours out? Now, models here has been continuing to put this on a northerly track. What I mean is the most of the rainfall is actually starting to push off to the north to parts of the Ohio Valley region and Tennessee as well. As you can see here, parts of North Carolina, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, and maybe Mississippi as well, or Kentucky could see up to 9 inches of rain, and it could try to reach to that 1 foot mark as well. So we're going to go ahead and go back to here, FE3. Alright, so this is what the FE3 wants to show. Let this load here for a moment. Here we go. So this is, as of right now, 6 hours out. And it's loading slow tonight. Let this load. I don't know why it's slow tonight. Come on. This is weird. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. So, here comes your system tomorrow. Seems like it's want to be, could be a little bit weaker, but there could be a little bit more snow potential there. Now goes to your first system. Here comes the second system here. Wants to show a lot more precipitation and also wants to bring it a little bit further to the north. It also does give some more colder air around the Virginia area, so there could be a potential snowstorm around there as well. And that stretches up to Maryland, onto the East Coast and parts of the Northeast. And then it seems like it becomes a stationary front. That heavy rain does continue. That moves off. Here comes your, I think this is your third system. Looks to be a little bit to the north. Here comes seems to be a surface low behind that. That moves out. And then it's just some uncertainty going on there. Maybe a potential winter storm there. How much rain does the FE3 wants to show? Well, looks like a lot. Like I say, possibly more than the GFS. Yeah, could be reaching maybe 14 inches. That's a lot of rain. This is also a little bit more further to the west and north. So there's still a little bit of uncertainty. But probably the best agreement will be this here. In the Euro, it's pretty aggressive with its rainfall amounts. So here we go. Now, I'm not going to show you the playthrough. I'm just going to show you the rain accumulation because it's not really good on that. So we can start for the next 3 days. So here's the next 3 days here. Looks like we got a swath of maybe some heavy rain going through parts of Alabama, Georgia, into North Carolina, maybe over an inch. There's another swath for parts of Tennessee. You could see a very similar situation in there. Next 5 days, the rain really does kick in here. Here's parts of Mississippi, Alabama, maybe 5 inches there. That's like 1 inch of rain per day. That's really ridiculous. That stretches up to southeastern Kentucky next 10 days. That's a lot of rain. So we'll start off in Kentucky, maybe up to 6 inches of rain for spots. There's Tennessee, same situation, and probably parts of Mississippi and maybe Arkansas along the Mississippi River can see up to 9 inches of rain, which is a lot of rain. Now here we go for my excessive rainfall / flooding forecast here. I've issued us a high risk for parts of Tennessee and Alabama. There's also another area out of California. I think they will still get a couple systems there that can give y'all some more rain, maybe a better flooding potential, because you all had a lot of rain in the past few days. That could be dropped down to a slight risk. So there's your moderate risk. It's actually for a lot of areas. It stretches from Mississippi through Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. There, your marginal risk stretches out pretty far, expanding from Texas, going out to the east into parts of Florida there. So this is all I got for y'all guys today. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you really like this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also leave a like. If you got a question, put down in the comments down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.